Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the drain tube in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch wrench, and an adjustable wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the toe kick plate forward to remove. Now use the 1/4-inch wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the home's water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 9 screws, securing the lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the power cord strain relief from the panel and set the panel aside. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the mounting screw securing the drain tube. Pull the old drain tube off of the port and remove the opposite end from the drain pan. To install the new drain tube, seat the appropriate end in the notch in the drain pan. Then align the opposite end over the port. Thread the mounting screw to secure. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first sliding the right side behind the water filter supply line so the line is seated in the notch in the panel. Seat the power cord strain relief in the panel notch. Then fully reposition the panel and thread the 9 screws to secure. Remember to secure the water filter supply line's retainer with the top right screw. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the brake feet until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the toe kick plate by aligning it on the lower frame and snapping it into place. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.